Hey guys, I am now in the forest of Winston Nature Preserve Park, and I am walking around. This is in Coconut Creek, Florida. It will be in description. And you know how Wild Man is. He loves to go in the woods. And that's exactly what I'm doing. In places that I'm not supposed to be, folks. That's what I do. This is probably why I always run into something I'm not supposed to run into. Like the last video. Running into prehistoric looking forts and tree-made wooden mallets and lots of crazy stuff, folks. Today, we're going to explore. To see full video, go to my channel.